Hello, my name is Sam, and right now I'm speaking through the Sennheiser Lavalier microphone connected straight into the S5D Mark III. Hello, my name is Sam, and now I'm speaking to you through the Rode NTG2 connected into the H4n boomed about 4 feet away from me. Hello, my name is Sam, and now the NTG is connected through a preamp connected to the H4n. Hello, this is the audio from the 5D Mark III's own microphone. Hello, this is Barack Obama, and my Sennheiser Lavalier mic is now connected straight to the H4n. Hello, my name is Sam, and the Rode NTG2 is still boomed connected to the preamp, but now the preamp is connected straight into the SD Mark III.